Welcome, investors, to another insightful episode of Stocks Telegraph. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of copper investments. Copper, often referred to as Dr. Copper due to its predictive nature for the global economy, has been a red-hot commodity in recent times. In this video, we'll unveil the top copper stocks that could potentially supercharge your investment portfolio as we head towards the end of 2023. If you're looking to bolster your investment strategy with commodities that have shown consistent growth and potential, you're in the right place. We've carefully curated a list of copper stocks you should keep a keen eye on and consider adding to your portfolio. By the time we're done, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of which copper stocks might be the perfect fit for your long-term investment plans. But before we dive into the copper-rich world of investments, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on our market insights and investment tips. Feel free to like this video if you find our content valuable and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your engagement drives our mission to empower you with the best investment information. So, without further ado, let's unveil the copper stocks that could potentially drive your investment success as we approach the close of 2023. We kick off our exploration of the top copper stocks with Southern Copper Corporation, trading under the ticker SCCO. Southern Copper is a mining powerhouse, engaged in the exploration, smelting, refining, and mining of copper and various minerals across several South American countries. Now, when it comes to performance, Southern Copper has been making waves. Year to date, it's seen a rise of 31.91%, and over the last 12 months, an impressive 70.36%. And that's not all. Their return on equity stands at a commendable 35.10%. reflecting their efficient use of shareholders' equity. In the financial realm, Southern Copper boasts a gross margin of 54.60% and a profit margin of 27.60%, showcasing their efficiency and profitability in this sector. Moreover, the company offers a noteworthy dividend yield of 5.02%. What's striking is the exceptional growth in shareholder value over the last half-decade. Shareholders have witnessed a remarkable 74% share price increase, while surpassing the market's return. This growth story is not just in the stock price. Southern Copper has been consistently growing its earnings per share at an impressive rate of 23% per year. Stay tuned as we uncover more exciting copper stocks on this journey. Our next copper contender is Freeport-McMoRan Inc., identified by the ticker FCX. This dynamic company is deeply entrenched in the mining sector, exploring mineral properties across North America, South America, and Indonesia. They're not just about copper. Freeport-McMoRan delves into gold, molybdenum, silver, and a variety of other metals, as well as oil and gas. In terms of performance, Freeport-McMoRan has been making strides. Over the last 12 months, it has seen a solid performance increase of 37.29%. The return on investment stands at a promising 18.30%. illustrating a sound return for investors. Financially, the company maintains a gross margin of 28.80% and an operating margin of 25.30%, indicators of efficient financial management. Additionally, Freeport-McMoRan offers a dividend yield of 0.75%, adding a layer of attractiveness for potential investors. In anticipation of their earnings report, Wall Street is eagerly eyeing positive outcomes from Freeport-McMoRan. Projections suggest an expected EPS of 38 cents, reflecting an impressive 46.15% increase from the prior year quarter. Likewise, the consensus estimate for revenue is $5.61 billion, a notable 12.19% rise from the prior year quarter. Hold on tight as we venture into more promising copper opportunities. Your feedback is the compass guiding our expedition, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts below. Now, onwards to our next copper gem. Next on our copper-rich journey is Teck Resources Limited, recognized by its ticker TECK. Teck Resources is a global player in the natural resources sector, involved in the exploration, acquisition, development, and production of resources across Asia, Europe, and North America. As of the latest data, Teck Resources is trading at a current price of $43.36, with analysts setting their sights on a mean target price of $67.01. The stock has exhibited a year-to-date performance of 15.82%, demonstrating its resilience and growth potential. When examining their financials, Teck Resources maintains a robust gross margin of 42.00%, reflecting its efficient financial management. Additionally, the company showcases an impressive operating margin of 32.70%, highlighting its operational efficiency. One notable recent development is Teck Resources' partnership with Norden to reduce CO2 emissions in its steelmaking coal supply chain. This innovative collaboration aims to cut Scope 3 emissions from the transportation of Teck's steelmaking coal, significantly reducing the company's carbon footprint and contributing to green transportation corridor development. Hold tight as we move forward to unveil more promising copper stocks on this exciting exploration. Our journey through promising copper stocks now brings us to Ero Copper Corporation, known by its ticker ERO. Ero Copper is a key player in the mining sector, focusing on the exploration, development, and production of mining projects primarily in Brazil. Their core operations involve the production and sale of copper concentrate from the Caraíba operations, alongside valuable gold and silver byproducts. In terms of performance, Ero Copper Corporation has demonstrated impressive growth. Year to date, the stock has seen a substantial rise of 38.25%. Over the last 12 months, it has exhibited exceptional growth, totaling an impressive 81.57%. Financially, Ero Copper maintains a commendable gross margin of 38.00%, showcasing efficiency and profitability. Their profit margin stands at 19.50%, indicating effective management of revenue. Looking at forward projections, Ero Copper Corporation is poised for significant growth. The anticipated EPS growth for the next year stands at an impressive 93.16%. Furthermore, on a quarter-over-quarter basis, the company has seen an EPS growth of 21.80%. This, combined with a forward PE ratio of 9.36, signifies positive prospects. Ero Copper Corporation recently released their quarterly earnings, surpassing expectations with earnings of 24 cents per share, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 23 cents per share. The company has consistently outperformed consensus EPS estimates over the last 4 quarters, showcasing its robust operational efficiency. Before we venture into the final promising copper stock, if you're finding this information valuable and insightful, we invite you to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with our latest market insights and investment tips. Now, let's delve into our last featured copper gem. Last but certainly not least, we turn our attention to Hudbay Minerals Inc., identified by the ticker HBM. Hudbay Minerals is a diversified mining company that focuses on exploration, development, and operation of properties primarily in North and South America. In terms of performance, Hudbay Minerals has demonstrated resilience and growth potential. Over the last 12 months, it has seen a solid performance increase of 20.38%. Furthermore, the company is projecting significant earnings growth, with an EPS growth of 128.70% this year and an impressive 96.05% expected for the next year. Financially, the company offers an attractive forward PE ratio of 6.74, indicating a favorable valuation. Analysts' mean target price stands at $7.63, suggesting further potential for growth. Adding to their strategic advancements, Hudbay Minerals recently completed the acquisition of Rockcliff Metals Corporation. This strategic move significantly expands Hudbay's land ownership in the promising Snow Lake region, extending mine life and bolstering operations. The acquisition also provides additional exploration properties in proximity to its Stall and New Britannia mills, enhancing their overall portfolio and growth potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the realm of copper investments. We've uncovered promising copper stocks that could potentially fuel your investment success as we approach the end of 2023. Copper, often regarded as a barometer for economic health, presents exciting opportunities for investors seeking growth and stability. If you found this information valuable and gained insights into potential copper investments, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your fellow investors. Your engagement and support are the pillars that keep our channel thriving. To stay updated with our latest market insights, investment tips, and deep dives into various sectors, make sure to subscribe to Stocks Telegraph and hit that notification bell. We're committed to empowering you with the knowledge you need to make informed investment decisions. If you have any suggestions, questions, or specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Your input fuels the direction of our channel, and we value your contribution to our community. Thank you once again for being part of Stocks Telegraph. Until next time, happy investing and may your portfolios prosper with wisdom and discernment.